This episode of the Home Pros Radio Show podcast is brought to you by HomeBinder, the premier home management app. Receive home maintenance reminders, organize your home's inventory, manage your home improvement projects, and more. Stay tuned to get a free upgrade code for HomeBinder worth over $200.
The Home Pros Radio Show.
I'm Tommy Donovan with RIC Home Inspections, and this is the Home Pros Radio Show podcast. Homeowners everywhere rely on gas to heat our water, cook our food, and keep our homes warm in the winter. But the convenience of running gas in our home is one that can be very destructive if we fail to manage it responsibly. A recent news story and a surprising find during a recent home inspection prompted us to bring in Jake Allen with Blossman Gas to talk about maintaining the safety of our home's gas systems. We also took this opportunity to switch gears a bit to ask Jake about gas grills, a popular home purchase for many during the summer months and around Father's Day. So here's Jake Allen as we begin our discussion with a look at our RIC Home Inspections photo from the field.
We got Jake from Blossman Gas. Good morning, Jake.
Hey, good morning, guys.
Yeah. Good morning, Jake. Jake's one of our new partners on the show as a part of the team. And, you know,
Glad to be here.
it's good timing, too, because I saw this in a house last week.
The RIC Home Inspections photo from the field.
What are you looking at? I know what I'm doing.
Did you see that?
Now, Jake, have you had a chance to see the gas line that I shared on our photo from the field?
Yes, I did.
Okay, good. All right, good. That's a good answer.
You won the Home Pros prize package.
Exactly. I found this behind an oven last week. We've got a gas line that's coming up through the floor. This is behind an oven. They switched from an electric or from a gas oven to an electric, and I don't know if it was a homeowner or whoever decided that putting a sandwich bag over the gas shutoff and taping it with not duct tape, but masking tape would protect us.
They wanted to make sure to contain it real well.
Yeah.
Yeah.